Namaskar, myself Dr. Prasad Dattatreya Kulkarni. I am working as an associate professor in Anna Saheb Dange College of Engineering, Asta. Since year 2001, I am working here. Before that, I have joined various industries like a Tata Group, then Menon Pistons Limited, where I got a lot of exposure of a industrial experience. During the tenure of a educational area from 2001, I got the knowledge enrichment in this area up to my doctorate level. Now, as per the present scenario, the Industry 4.0 calls for the recent additions for the new technologies. So, in mechanical department, we have added the new courses like a mechatronics, like a control engineering, then steam engineering, various subjects which we have added as a industry needed subjects. Now, as per the current scenario, if we will see, the population demands for the fulfillment of human needs. So, as per that, mechanical engineering plays an important role to enrich the students' knowledge. Now, this knowledge which will help them for grasping the various opportunities in various multinational companies. In this regard, our department have established around 17 laboratories in that specifically the control engineering, then the thermal engineering and the production engineering, which plays a key role in the addition of the all full-fledged equipments in all the laboratories. Now, my education, which I've started with a bachelor's of engineering in a mechanical department, and I have completed this education in doctorate from Vishwesvaraya Technological University from Karnataka. I got this award recently in 2019. During that tenure, I have played an important role to take a patent for my PhD work, and that was the full-fledged reward for my work. Now, in engineering area, lot of challenges are coming for the students, and these challenges are to be overcome by the addition of the recent knowledge. In this regard, some additions of the new softwares like a CFD software, like a ANSYS software, this knowledge which we have added for the mechanical department. I say that if we will full-fledge ourselves with all the areas, then we can overcome all the hurdles. And this is possible only with the help of a knowledge. So someone says that knowledge is an important tool to overcome all the hurdles, and that is possible with engineering. So I say that this is a great opportunity in your life to join engineering area in our department, and that will full-fledge you with all the tools. Once again, I offer my all the best for your career. Thank you very much.